everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you 5 simple steps to run JavaScript code directly in your Visual Studio Code terminal. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Your JavaScript code. Step 1 is easy. Just write some JavaScript code. You can open a new file in VSCode, save it with the .js extension, and start coding. For example, this simple code will add 2 numbers and shows the output in terminal window. Step 2. Install a Code Runner extension. The Code Runner extension is perfect for this. Just go to the Extensions tab, type Code Runner in the search bar, and click Install. This extension makes it super easy to run code in the terminal. After that, open your code, then right-click and select the first option to run the code. Oops, here is the error. Node is not recognized as an internal or external command. Let's go to step 3 to address error.
Step 3. Install Node.js on your computer. Head over to Google and open Node.js.org. Download the installer and install Node.js on your computer. Node.js allows us to run JavaScript outside of the browser. Now, follow the steps to install the setup. Add Node.js to the path. If you're on Windows, make sure Node.js is added to your system's path. Go to Advanced System Settings, click on Environment Variables and add the path where Node.js is installed. This allows you to use Node.js commands from anywhere in the terminal. Step 5. Run your code in the terminal. Before running the code, restart your code editor. Then right-click and select the first option to run the code in Visual Studio Code terminal. So, finally, here is the output of our code.